Are you looking for the best video cameras for sports? In this video we will look at some of the best video cameras for sports on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Canon EOS R7. The Canon EOS R7 is the best camera for sports videography that we've tested. While it isn't the most portable option, it's an incredibly versatile hybrid camera with advanced video capability. With no recording time limit and excellent battery life, this is a great choice for extended recording sessions. Video quality from its high-res APS-C sensor is amazing, and you have the option to shoot 10-bit 4:2:2 log footage internally to get a wider dynamic range and give yourself more leeway in post-production. That aside, the camera also includes in-body image stabilization, IBIS, for smoother handheld recording. Its body is sturdy and weather-sealed to give you some peace of mind when recording outdoors. Plus, it has a fantastic autofocus system, with a very reliable auto-tracking feature to ensure faster subjects stay in focus. It offers a wide selection of frame rates too, including uncropped 4K at up to 60 FPS and a high frame rate mode for slow-motion 1080p footage at up to 120 FPS. All in all, this well-rounded camera is the best we've tested for capturing high-quality footage of sports and action. Number 2. Fujifilm X-S10. If you can live without some of the Canon EOS R7's more advanced features, like internal 10-bit recording and unlimited recording times, a mid-range option like the Fujifilm X-S10 will save you a good deal of money. As one of the few cameras at this price point to offer IBIS, it offers a ton of value for sports videographers. Like the R7, it uses an APS-C sensor that captures high-quality video and includes various film simulation profiles that let you change up the look of your videos in camera. Beyond that, the camera has a fair amount of frame rate options, including 4K up to 30 FPS and 1080p up to 240 FPS in its slow-motion capture mode. The autofocus is also excellent in video mode, ensuring faster subjects stay in focus. If you want something a little more portable, with no recording time limit, the Sony 6400 is a great cheaper alternative. However, it doesn't have IBIS and its sensor has worse rolling shutter distortion when panning the camera rapidly. Number 3. Sony ZV-E10. The Sony ZV-E10 is our top budget pick. Though it's aimed primarily at vloggers, it also makes for a great general video camera for those looking for something more affordable. Unlike the Fujifilm X-S10, it doesn't have a viewfinder. You also lose out on IBIS, meaning you'll need to rely on optically stabilized lenses to get smoother footage when shooting handheld. But if these aren't deal breakers, you'll find a lot to love with this camera. At the top of the list is its fantastic autofocus system. Sony cameras are known for their quick and accurate AF systems, and the ZV-E10 is no exception. It has a fully articulated screen to help shoot at different angles, a good battery life, and no recording time limit. Frame rates are a little limited compared to high-end options, but it can still record 4K video at 30 FPS, with a slight crop, and 1080p video at up to 120 FPS if you want to slow down the action. All in all, this is one of the best value budget cameras you can get for sports video. Number 4. DJI Pocket 2. If you're looking for something more portable than the picks above, all of which are interchangeable lens options that can quickly add up to a bulky kit, consider a pocket camera like the DJI Pocket 2. It isn't just any pocket camera, though. It comes with a built-in 3-axis stabilized gimbal that lets you capture smooth handheld video. It's a great option if you want something lightweight but prefer to get right in the action, as you can keep up with your subjects and still get buttery smooth footage. On top of that, it is an active tracking feature that can automatically follow a subject as they move around. You get up to 60 FPS in 4K, and there's a dedicated slow-motion mode in 1080p for super slow-motion shots. On top of that, it has no recording time limit and solid battery life. Because it's a small sensor camera, you won't get amazing video quality compared to the higher-end options mentioned above. But if the thought of an all-in-one camera and gimbal combo sounds appealing, this is one of the best cameras for sports you can get. Number 5. GoPro Hero 10 Black. It doesn't get better than a GoPro camera if you want to get right in the action. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is the best GoPro we've tested and makes for a great deal now that it's been superseded by the GoPro Hero 11 Black. This super portable action cam has a huge range of resolution and frame rate options, from 5K video up to 60 FPS to 4K up to 120 FPS, so you can smoothly capture all kinds of fast action and generate high-resolution slow-motion footage. Plus, its front-facing screen makes it easy to record yourself in the action. If you're looking for something even cheaper, older models like the GoPro Hero 9 Black and the GoPro Hero 8 Black are still very serviceable action cams, despite using older processors and supporting fewer frame rate options. All of these cameras also boast superb stabilization to ensure your footage looks smooth and have waterproofing, making them suitable even for underwater sports.